Welcome back to Car Mexi, the place where we break down the future of cars in a way that actually makes sense. Today we're talking about one of the most talked about, most anticipated, and honestly most mysterious cars of the decade, the 2026 Tesla Model 2. This is the car many people believe could completely change the electric vehicle market, not just for Tesla fans, but for everyday drivers who want something affordable, practical, and still packed with smart technology. So sit back, relax, and let's imagine what the Tesla Model 2 could bring to the roads in 2026. For years, Tesla has been known for pushing boundaries, but one thing critics have always pointed out is price. While the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y have all had success, a truly budget-friendly Tesla has been missing from the lineup. That's where the Model 2 comes in. The idea behind this car is simple but powerful: create an electric vehicle that's affordable for the masses without losing the Tesla identity. If Tesla gets this right, the Model 2 could become the first electric car for millions of new buyers around the world. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing everyone notices. The Tesla Model 2 is expected to be smaller than the Model 3, likely falling into the compact hatchback category. Think of something that's easy to park in crowded cities, easy to drive for new drivers, and efficient in tight urban environments. The design language will probably stay clean and minimal, just like other Teslas, with smooth lines, a closed-off front grille, and aerodynamic shaping to maximize efficiency. Don't expect flashy details or aggressive styling. Tesla usually focuses on simplicity, and the Model 2 will likely continue that trend. From the side, the Model 2 may feature a short wheelbase and a slightly taller roofline compared to the Model 3, making it more practical for daily use. A hatchback design would allow for better cargo space, which is a big plus for young drivers, small families, or anyone who needs versatility without stepping up to a larger SUV. Around the back, we can expect slim LED taillights and a clean, uncluttered look, staying true to Tesla's minimalist philosophy. Now let's talk about the interior, because this is where Tesla usually surprises people. Even though the Model 2 is expected to be more affordable, Tesla is unlikely to completely strip it down. The cabin will probably still feel modern and tech-focused, with a central touchscreen controlling most of the vehicle's functions. The screen might be slightly smaller than what we see in the Model 3 or Model Y, but it will still handle navigation, media, climate control, and vehicle settings. Materials may be simpler to keep costs down, but Tesla has proven that minimal doesn't have to mean cheap. Expect durable fabrics, clean surfaces, and a layout that feels open and uncluttered. The steering wheel will likely keep the familiar Tesla design, and there's a good chance physical buttons will still be limited, relying heavily on software instead. For many buyers, especially younger ones, this tech-first approach is actually a major selling point. When it comes to performance, the Tesla Model 2 isn't expected to be a speed monster, and that's okay. This car isn't about beating sports cars at traffic lights. It's about efficiency, smooth driving, and reliability. Most rumors suggest a single-motor, rear-wheel drive setup, which would keep costs low while still delivering that instant electric torque Tesla is known for. Acceleration should be quick enough to feel fun, especially compared to traditional gas cars in the same price range. Range is one of the most important topics when discussing any electric vehicle, and the Model 2 will be no exception. Tesla will likely aim for a range that balances affordability with practicality. A realistic target could be somewhere between 250 and 300 miles on a single charge, depending on battery size and driving conditions. That kind of range would be more than enough for daily commuting, city driving, and even short road trips, especially with Tesla's supercharger network continuing to expand. Charging will also be a key selling point. Even if the Model 2 uses a smaller battery, fast charging capability will be essential. Tesla understands that convenience is just as important as range, and access to fast chargers can make a huge difference in real-world usability. Home charging will still be the most common method for owners, and with overnight charging, the Model 2 could easily be ready every morning with a full battery. One of the biggest reasons the Tesla Model 2 has generated so much excitement is price. While nothing is officially confirmed, many expect Tesla to target a price point that's significantly lower than the Model 3. Some estimates place it around the $25,000 mark, which would be a game changer. At that price, the Model 2 wouldn't just compete with electric cars, it would compete directly with popular gas-powered compact cars. If Tesla manages to hit that price while maintaining quality and technology, the Model 2 could attract first-time car buyers, students, young professionals, and families looking for an affordable second vehicle. Government incentives in many countries could also bring the effective price even lower, making the Model 2 one of the most accessible electric cars on the market. Safety is another area where Tesla has built a strong reputation, and the Model 2 will likely benefit from that experience. Even as a budget-friendly model, it should include essential safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and collision warnings. Tesla's autopilot system may come standard in a basic form, with more advanced features available as optional upgrades. This approach allows buyers to choose how much technology they want without forcing everyone to pay extra upfront. Software will continue to play a major role in the Model 2 experience. Tesla is known for over-the-air updates, which allow cars to improve over time. That means new features, performance tweaks, and even interface improvements could be added long after the car is purchased. For a more affordable vehicle, this is a huge advantage, because it helps the car stay fresh and relevant for years. Another interesting aspect of the Model 2 is where it might be built. Tesla has been expanding its global manufacturing footprint, and producing the Model 2 in different regions could help reduce costs and meet local demand. This could also mean the Model 2 becomes a truly global car, designed to work well in cities across Europe, Asia, and North America. Of course, there are challenges. Keeping costs low while meeting safety standards, maintaining quality, and delivering a good driving experience is not easy. Competition in the affordable EV space is growing fast, with many manufacturers racing to release their own budget electric cars. Tesla will need to leverage its experience, technology, and brand strength to stand out. Still, the potential impact of the Tesla Model 2 is huge. This car represents more than just a new model, it represents a shift toward making electric vehicles mainstream. For many people, the Model 2 could be their first step into the EV world, and that's a big responsibility for any automaker. As we look toward 2026, excitement continues to build. Whether you're a longtime Tesla fan or just someone curious about the future of cars, the Model 2 is definitely something to watch. If Tesla delivers on its promises, this could be the car that finally makes electric driving accessible to everyone. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Tesla Model 2. If you enjoyed this video and want more future car content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Mexi. Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell us, would you buy the Tesla Model 2 if it launches at an affordable price? Thanks for watching Car Mexi, and we'll see you in the next one.